Singh, the WBA Asia Pacific Super Middleweight Champion, is upbeat about defending his title against Francis Checker. Vijender, in a NewsX exclusive interview to our sports correspondent Gandharv, talks about his plan of defending his crown. Let's take a listen.
Last time when you spoke to him, he was about to win his title, but now when you're talking to him, he's about to defend his title. Vijender has definitely come a long way. Vijender, starting off, how has been your preparation for this bout?
So far so good, and I'm ready for December 17th, and I've been through very hard training in Manchester for almost like 6 or 8 weeks. So I did lots of a long training session, like especially like a sparring session, 14 round, 12 round, 10 round, track work, swimming, so all set for December 17th now.
Last time when you fought, you had a fight against Hope, and now you have a fight against a Tanzanian opponent. How do you think you prepared for the upcoming opponent?
Yeah, I seen his own fight on YouTube, and yes, he's defensive, not that aggressive or that Kerry Hope was, but he's a defensive player, and we have planned for that because I'll train with my coach, and we have we have some plan in mind, like how will we go and how will we pursue that fight. So yes, so we'll just waiting for December 17th now.
In the press conference, your opponent said that you haven't fought a 10-round bout, but he was wrong on that. You already fought the 10-round bout on the last.
Might be he needs some, badam or something like that. So he don't know what's my record is, and he don't know what's the Olympic medal value for any boxer or any sports person. So he's a little bit slow from the mind. So might be that kind of word. That's why he's using that thing.
So he said that he will knock you out, but you're again saying that you will knock him out. So which round are you going to take him out?
I think that night will decide, I think. Because I can say that I will knock him out like in the first or second or third or 10 round. So, but I think that night will decide.
Before we line up the interview, हरियाणवी में कुछ हो जाए आपके opponent के लिए, आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे उनको?
Okay, हरियाणवी में वो भाई किसी ने नाम बता था, उसका नाम फ्रांसिस चीका है ना भाई, हम तो मार मार के चीख निकाल देंगे उसकी तो वो चीका की चीख निकालनी है हमने 17 तारीख ने. तो प्लीज सारे जितने भी हैं, जितने भी यार दोस्त, like please come and see my fight on Tyagarajan Stadium. It's on December 17th. Please come.